cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm.
Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you one of my family's favorite holiday recipes. We're making broccoli and cheese casserole. My sister-in-law makes the best broccoli and cheese. I had to get this recipe from her. It is so good, very cheesy, and for special occasions like Christmas, you definitely want this on the table because everybody's going to love it. So let's get started. Alright guys, we're going to start with 2 pounds of broccoli florets. Make sure you wash these very well. Sometimes the florets come in really big pieces, so make sure you cut them into sizable pieces, just like these. Next, we're going to steam the broccoli, so grab your cooking pot and transfer the broccoli into that. Go ahead and season with salt and pepper to taste and add a little bit of water to help the broccoli steam nicely. I'm going to pop the lid on, then let the broccoli steam for 5 to 8 minutes on medium-high heat. You want the broccoli to be a little tender, but not too soft or too crunchy. You want it to be right there in the middle. So taste one and make sure it's right where you want it, okay guys? Next, you're going to drain your broccoli very well, then transfer it into a baking pan. Then add a 1/4 cup of milk and a 1/4 stick of melted butter. And here comes the good part, you're going to add a whole lot of cheese. I'm using 8 ounces each of cheddar cheese, Monterey Jack, and Colby Jack cheese. And make sure you set a little bit of the cheese aside for later, we'll use that to sprinkle the top. Go ahead and mix the cheese in, then you're going to preheat your oven to 375 and put this in for 10 minutes. After this has baked for 10 minutes and the cheese is all melted, you're going to mix it in one more time. Next, sprinkle the remaining cheese we set aside earlier all over the top. Then grab some original Ritz crackers. You're going to crush up a whole row, then sprinkle that all over your broccoli and cheese. You're going to put this back into the oven to bake for another 10 minutes, then I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. And here it is out of the oven, looking so good. Look at all that cheese. At this point, don't even call this broccoli anymore. It's just cheesy goodness. Perfect for Christmas dinner.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down,
So good.
and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay.
It's really good, you guys will love it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Christmas, the first for me